Want to create stunning, professional-looking videos in just seconds without any editing experience? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use DeeVid AI, an incredibly powerful all-in-one AI director that lets you turn text, images, and prompts into high-quality videos. Whether you're a content creator, an e-commerce seller, or an advertiser, DeeVid AI is designed to handle the heavy lifting. It acts as your personal AI agent, planning, creating, and iterating your content. At the core of DeeVid is its Canvas feature, which lets you drag, drop, and place edits exactly where you want them, making the entire creation process feel completely instinctive. What makes DeeVid stand out is that it connects you to the industry's best models under the hood, including VO 3.1, Sora 2, Kling, and Runway, automatically matching the best model to your specific task. You can use the image-to-video feature to bring static photos to life in seconds, or use the AI Ads tool to turn a single product shot into ready-to-use promotional videos. It also features an AI avatar generator to turn a photo into on-camera talent, text-to-speech for realistic voiceovers, and an AI music generator for copyright-free soundtracks. Now, because this is a relatively fresh tool, we don't have a massive database of independent third-party user reviews to share just yet. However, early creators featured on their platform are already sharing some great results. For example, TikTok creators mention using the canvas to quickly swap topics and generate weekly clips in minutes, while e-commerce sellers are using it to generate model try-ons and background variants from a single product shot. If you want to try it out for yourself, head over to deevid.ai and start creating for free. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you plan to create first.